Have you ever had one of those, oh shit, you won't believe what just happened on the road moments, but you had absolutely zero proof? Yep, we've all been there. Today, we are talking about the ultimate roadside content capture companion, dash cameras. We're breaking down the different types, the coolest high-tech features, and how to pick the perfect one for your ride. Buckle up, let's go. First up, let's talk about what you want your dash cam to record, aka how many channels or directions we are recording. If you want the basics, you go with a single channel or front-facing dash cam. It sticks to your windshield and keeps a sharp eye on the road ahead. It's simple, budget-friendly, and perfect if you just want standard protection against fender benders or the occasional rogue shopping cart. But what if someone rear-ends you? Enter the dual-channel dash cam. This gives you a front camera and a rear camera for full front-to-back coverage. And for the ultimate road warriors, rideshare drivers, or nervous parents, we have the 3-channel dash cam. This setup records the front, the rear, and the inside of the cabin. Plus, many interior cameras use infrared night vision, so even in total darkness, it captures exactly what's happening inside the car. Now, where to put this thing, and what size to get? Dash cams come in a few different form factors so they don't block your view. The mini dash cam is tiny, stealthy, and hides perfectly behind your rearview mirror. If you want something super cool, the mirror dash cam literally straps over your existing rearview mirror and turns the whole thing into a touchscreen display. Alternatively, the cabin cam is usually mounted on the dash or windshield, staring right back at the interior. Next, let's talk features, because these aren't your grandpa's camcorders anymore. Resolution is king. Standard 1080p is a solid baseline, but if you want to capture license plates with crystal clear detail, 4K resolution is the way to go. But where does all this crystal clear footage actually go? That is where the mighty microSD card comes in to save the day. Most dash cams rely on a microSD card to store your video locally. You will want a high-endurance card specifically designed for continuous recording, because these little guys work hard rewriting data nonstop. They do this through a feature called loop recording, which automatically overwrites your oldest, non-locked footage with the new stuff, so you never have to worry about manually clearing space. When you need to save or share a clip, just pop the microSD card out, transfer footage directly to your computer, and boom! You've got all your files ready to go. And speaking of keeping files safe, there is parking mode. You know when you park at the grocery store and you're terrified someone's gonna ding your door? Parking mode keeps the camera on standby. If it detects motion or a bump using its built-in G sensor, it automatically wakes up and locks the recording so it won't get erased. Busted! There's also features like audio recording, a speed overlay so you can prove you weren't going too fast, 4G LTE cloud connectivity, and remote alerts so you know what's happening from anywhere. There's also AI driver assistance features and voice control if you really want to go extra. Ultimately, how high-tech you want to go depends on your budget and individual needs. Whether you want to dispute an unfair insurance claim, catch a hit and run, or just record a beautiful coastal drive, or a ghost car, or alien encounter to make you famous on the internet. A dash cam is the ultimate co-pilot. Fun fact, industry data shows that dash cam footage exonerates drivers 50% of the time in a crash. Super useful. Drop a comment below with which dash cam you'd choose, hit that like button, and subscribe for more tech tips. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Hey, I'm walking here.
What?